Okay, hello guys. I am Nap Gaking Jr., a math teacher, and you are watching Top Math, a YouTube channel that features solutions to some math competition problems given in the past several years here and abroad. So for today's video, we have 5 calculation exercises, and objective is to arrive at the answer quickly. So the contestants are challenged to think fast, write quickly, and whenever possible, do some mental calculations. Okay, so number 1, we have an expression for k. So which is a fraction whose numerator is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic progression, and the denominator is similar. It is a sum of the terms of some arithmetic progression. Okay, so how do we arrive at the answer more quickly? So in number 1, in both the numerator and denominator, we have the sum of terms, the sum of of 8 terms of an arithmetic progression whose common difference is 2. Okay, so take the average of the 2 middle terms. Okay, 2 middle terms. That is, in the numerator, we let x be equal to 2020 or 2020, and in the denominator, we let y equals, no need for that, we can just write y equals 2021. Then our k would look like this. It would now be x minus 7 plus x minus 5 plus x minus 3 plus x minus, plus x minus 1 plus x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus x, plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7. So that's the numerator. The denominator would be y minus 7 plus y minus 5 plus y minus 3 plus y minus 1 plus y plus 1 plus y plus 3 plus y plus 5 plus y plus 7. Okay. And so all the constants disappear because for every constant that appear here, there is also its negative also appears there. For example, 7, but you also have negative 7. And so since there are 8 terms, this is now equal to 8x. And similarly, in the denominator, you will have 8y, sorry. So you will also have 8y. And so you have x over y, which is 2020 over 2021. Okay. So that's the answer for the first. And then for the second, okay, for number 2, we let A be equal to 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 9, 5. And B equals, B should be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, or 3. 3. Yes, 3. It should be 3. 5, 4, 5, 3. So, okay. Then L would be A plus 1 times A minus 1. So this is A plus 1 times A minus 1. And then A plus 4 minus A plus 4 times A minus 4. Is that correct? Okay. Plus B plus 1 B minus 1. Okay. Minus, so that's minus uh, b minus 2 and then b plus 2. Okay, so we have a squared minus 1 minus a squared minus 16 plus b squared minus 1 minus b squared minus 4. Okay, this gives us the a squared and the b squared cancel each other. So we have minus 1 plus 16 minus 1 plus 4. This is 20 minus 2 equals 18. So that's the answer to the second calculation exercise. Number 3. Number 3 is okay. Determine or find the relationships. Oh no, not that one. I am looking at a different problem. Okay. So since 19 is equal to 17 times plus 12, we have C. Okay, notice that the denominator is common to all of the three products, so we have 1 over 12 times 19, and then for the first product we have 7 times, so we have 7 times 17 plus 12 because it's 29. This is 29, sorry. 29 is 17 plus 12. Okay. Minus 7 times 12 plus 17 times 5. Okay, so this is equal to 1 over 12 times 19, and then we have 7 times 17 plus 7 times 12 minus 7 times 12 plus 7 times 5. So this cancels, so you have 7 times that's 17, not 7. So, sorry. That's 17. That is 17 there. And so we have 17 times 7 plus 5 is 12 over 12 times 19. So we have 17 over 19. So this is the answer to the third. And then to the fourth is, okay, that number 4062 is repeated in the numerator, and 6093 is repeated in the denominator. So here in number 4, let x be equal to 4062 and y be equal to 6093 or 6093. Then our O, would be 1 plus 10 to the 4th plus 1. Plus 10, I forgot the x. So there's an x outside. Okay, there's an x here. And then we have 1 for the first 4062, and then for the repeated 4062, that would be 10 to the 4th plus 1. And then we have 10 to the 8th plus 10 to the 4th plus 1 plus 10 to the 12 plus 10 to the 8 plus 10 to the 4 plus 1. Okay. Similarly, in the denominator, you have a y here, and then the same expression. Plus 10 to the 12 plus 10 to the 8 plus 10 to the 4th plus 1, which is equal to the constant coefficient are similar, so therefore they cancel each other. So we are left with x over y, which is equal to 4062 over 90 or 6093. So this is 6093, which is actually 2/3, because 4062 is 2 times 2031, and 6093 is 3 times 2031. So this is 2/3. Okay. Now, for those who are confused why we have this coefficient of x and y, okay, it's like this. When you have, let's say we repeat the 2, or we repeat the 7 4 times, that's 7,700 77. If you notice, this is actually 7,000 plus 700 plus 70 plus 7. And 7,000 is 7 times 10 cubed, while 700 is 7 times 10 squared, and 70 is 7 times 10, while 7 is 7 times 1. Now, in all of these products, 7 is common, so we have 7, and then the uncommon partners are 10 cubed, and then you have 10 squared, and then you have 10, and then you have 1. Okay, that's the reason why we have this numerical coefficients of x and numerical coefficients of y in our expression. Okay. So for the last one, number 5. Number 5. What is number 5? Number 5 is okay. So here we let x be equal to, okay, here let x be equal to 84, y equals 211, and z equals 712. Then our p, is this p? Yes, this is p. So p would now be x plus x minus 2 times x plus 2 over x times x plus 1 minus 4 plus y okay, plus y minus 2 times y plus 2 over y times y plus 1 minus 4. Is that correct? Y minus 4? Okay, I'm sorry. This is not 1 here. This should be minus 4. And also this one. This should be minus 4. Okay. And then our third summand would be z plus z minus 2, okay, times z plus 2 over z times z plus 1, yes, minus 4. Okay. This is also minus 4 here. Okay. So what happens now is we have x plus x squared minus 4 in the first summand. We have x squared plus x minus 4, and then in the second summand you have y plus y squared minus 4 over y squared plus y minus 4 plus z plus z squared minus 4 over z squared plus z minus 4. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So this is our answer to the fifth exercise. Okay, so before we leave, I'm leaving this challenge to you. Simplify x, which is equal to 5 over 6 plus 7 over 12 plus 9 over 20 and so on until the last term, which or summand, which is 7 over 8. What is it, or what is x in simple terms? And also this point to ponder, or something to think about. Sometimes one pays most for the things one gets for nothing by someone. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed our discussion. You learned something. And goodbye for now. And may God bless you all.